Welcome everybody. In this first introduction to my devlog videos, I'm taking the time to put together several different types of games from 2-dimension and 3-dimension. And the first one that I chose was a retro space shooter style game. So I'll walk you through the steps of finding the assets, getting the project set up, and then the build process and the final product at the very end. Thanks for watching. When it comes time to create your games, there are two different types of people. Ones that will create the assets for themselves, or there'll be game developers that would need to go grab assets to build a game around. I'm the latter. I can develop the games, but I need some assets to get the ball rolling. I don't have a design background, and I rely on other people's assets to make games from. It also helps me to think about what type of game I like to build based on what asset is interesting to me at the time. In this case, being that I wanted to go with a retro space shooter style game, I went to itch.io and I searched up retro style assets until I found the asset pack that I liked the most. And then I went ahead and looked over that and then got that started. Now, once I decided on a specific asset pack that I wanted to build my game with, I needed to go ahead and download that asset pack. Here on itch, they allow you to make a purchase price or download the assets for free. And then once I have those assets, I like to go to Notion and create a specific page for all my notes that I'm going to take on how I want to build this particular game based on the assets that are given to me. So I created a brand new page. I like to always put the name of the asset creator along with the game that I'm building, and then take any of the documentation that the creator has on their page and translate that into the Notion page, where I can continue to take my notes, how the game is going to be built, how the game is going to be ran, and that way I can come back to it throughout the build process. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next devlog.